Greetings folks, it's Sarah with Obadiah's. Today I am here at the Breckwell booth and I am here to show you guys the BH23VF. This is going to be a cast iron vent-free gas stove. So it's going to be 32,000 BTUs. It is going to only be available in this flat cast iron black color. It's a beautiful decorative stove that is really nice, and also it's going to have a millivolt system, so no electricity is going to be required to operate this gas stove. It does also have the ability to connect into a wall thermostat as well, so that's a handy feature. I'm just going to show you the decoration here on the sides of the stoves. Show you the rear of the stove. So that's something that's sometimes hard to see. It's just classic black, so if it was getting placed in the center of a room, it wouldn't look funny. Very simple design. It does have these nice air vents here. So this is where you're gonna get that nice kind of convection style heat. So the air will naturally rise up from the firebox and come straight out here. Now, this model does have the option to add in a room blower if you want, but if you don't add in that blower, you should get a fair amount of heat located right out the top of these vents. I hope that you guys enjoyed this product overview. If you guys like the videos, please don't forget, give me a thumbs up. Click the subscribe button in the corner of the channel. Thanks so much for watching. God bless. Have a wonderful day.